This beautiful 1951 Smith Corona silent typewriter has been fully restored, has a new platen installed, and it is ready to type. This is a beautiful 1951 Smith Corona silent. It's got nice dark green keys, and the finish is a nice dark brown. Very few blemishes on the finish. There's a slight mark here. The platen is new rubber, of course. It's got a really nice typing action. It's light and easy to type with. I'm also including an extra ribbon, brand new one, free with this typewriter, as well as a reprinted user's manual. We also have the original case, which is in pretty good condition. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. It does show some wear and little dents here and there. It's a pretty nice case. It does have some marks on it. It's for the 1951 Smith Corona silent typewriter.